Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 16 Pro and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now we have to enter the settings. So just tap on this gear icon. If for some reason you do not have this icon here, no worries, just tap on this 4 dots icon and find the language and find the settings somewhere here. All right, so let me tap on the settings and tap on the languages which is at the top. Now let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to scroll and find your language. After finding, just tap on it. Let me actually maybe pick something which is more graphical. I have no idea which one. Maybe this one. So just find the option and then tap on it. After that, you will be transferred to this section where you can choose different keyboard layouts, and the layout sometimes basically depends on the specific language. So sometimes you will have only one, and sometimes even up to 7 different keyboard layouts. So just tap on Done. And as you can see, the language has been immediately applied. Before I'll show you how to remove the language, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. So now after getting back to the keyboard, we've got the English one. We've got also an additional icon which is called globe icon, thanks to which we can change the keyboard layout. So just tap on it, and as you can see, now we've got the other language. Tap on it again and we've got English. Moreover, the space bar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using, so you can always check which one you've got applied. So to remove the language from the keyboard, simply enter the settings again, tap on the languages and tap on this edit icon. Then mark the language and tap on the trash bin icon, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.